Welcome to our SEOPress tutorial. You're watching the SEOPress channel. Let's get started. Go to Posts. Add a FAQ block by dragging it into the editor. Complete the text field. Choose the checkbox you want to enable. Don't forget to save. Ready to boost your traffic and save hours on SEO tasks? Upgrade to SEOPress PRO and unlock powerful features to take full control of your SEO. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to the SEOPress channel for more expert tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing with SEOPress.